Big news coming in at this point in time, and this is related to what's brewing in the Aam Aadmi Party. It seems all is not well. It seems the top brass of the Aam Aadmi Party is not happy with Raghav Chadha, its Rajya Sabha MP, and that's why perhaps the party decided to remove him from the post of deputy leader in the Rajya Sabha yesterday. A move that surprised everybody. But now we have a reaction coming in from Rajya Sabha MP of Aam Aadmi Party, Raghav Chadha, after the demotion that happened. We asked him clearly about, this move by his party. He refused to comment. Take a look at the sequence.
Sir, only one reaction, sir. Sir, I know, I got your video, sir. Only one reaction. So it's ARI, sir. Please, sir.
No, I know. I have very good relations with ARI.
Sir. Do us a favor, sir.
I've already issued a letter.
I know, sir. And it was amazing. But still, I want...
Only one. It could be in trouble.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, only one reaction, sir. Sir, I know, I got your video, sir. Only one reaction. So it's ARI, sir. Please, sir.
No, I know. I have very good relations with ARI.
Sir. Do us a favor, sir.
I've already issued a letter.
I know, sir. And it was amazing. But still, I want...
Only one. It could be in trouble.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Let's go across to my colleague Kritika, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Kritika, we were just looking at those visuals. Of course, he did not say anything. Whatever he had to say, he has already put it out on X. He's asking a question. Have I done something wrong? But he did not really seem very upset about what really has happened with him.
Well, of course, it did seem that way. Remember, the bigger point that he's trying to currently make is that as a member of parliament, he has been continuously raising issues that are very specific to people, whether it is the gig workers or an urban traveler or from the middle class family, from middle class background as well. These are all the issues that he's been putting out in the parliament time and time again, whether it is about the IT rules or the telecom rules have all been flagged by him. However, to now have not just his elevation as the deputy leader of Aam Aadmi Party in the upper house removed and being replaced by Ashok Mittal, but to also have the Aam Aadmi Party write to the parliament secretariat asking them not to have Raghav Chadha be given any time slot from the Aam Aadmi Party quota is something that he's currently raising his voice against. He's saying that there is, in fact, what fault has he done? What sort of harm has he caused to the Aam Aadmi Party, wherein it is only issues of the people that he's raising as a member of the parliament, in fact. Remember, earlier also we have seen such a rift between Swati Maliwal as well as the Aam Aadmi Party too, after the entire fallout of the incident that took place at former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence. But speculations over Raghav Chadha's participation as an active member of the Aam Aadmi Party is not something new. In fact, even with his silence on the occasion of discharge orders being given for Arvind Kejriwal as well as Manish Sisodia and other senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, we did not hear a reaction from Raghav Chadha, not on his social media platforms and definitely not as a reaction that he would give in the parliament as well. He has been silent on this issue and other issues pertaining to the Aam Aadmi Party, whether it is attacking the BJP when it comes to the state of Delhi or in fact participating in other political outreach programs that currently Arvind Kejriwal as well as Manish Sisodia are heading and taking charge of, whether in Punjab or in Gujarat, Goa or even in Assam right now, which is again heading for polls. He has been continuously absent from all of these other political responsibilities of his as a part of the Aam Aadmi Party. Remember, he has been nominated from Punjab, where he was very active in the campaign when the state elections were underway. However, that fervor has been lacking on part of Raghav Chadha since the Delhi elections, and even during then, he had very limited public appearances wherein he shared stage with the other Aam Aadmi Party top leadership. Earlier, he was termed out to be one of the close confidants of Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal. But over the years, we have seen, in fact, quite a lot of distance also emerge, specifically as far as public appearances of the two of them together that are concerned. Even when Arvind Kejriwal this time was discharged by the Raosa Avenue Court, a huge, in fact, rally was taken out by him from his residence to the party headquarters in Delhi. He had stepped upon the rooftop as well of his party office and waved to the workers as well as supporters who had assembled. Sanjay Singh, another senior leader, was also there. But
Kritika, I'm just interrupting you there.